Hello, my name is Ryan Furtado, and I'm a campaign operations consultant here at Sumos. Today, I'm going to quickly break down the importance of content submission templates and how you can optimize your template to help your team achieve their marketing goals more efficiently and effectively. So today, we're going to take a look at an example content submission template. Specifically, we're looking at our Etumos standalone email send content submission template. So as you see here, I already have it pulled up on the screen for us to take a look at. So we can walk through some of the key components. This is a consolidated document that acts as a centralized location for all necessary information. This helps to significantly reduce the number of back and forth communications that would be needed to launch a marketing campaign. In our template, we've captured all MVP requirements that we require in these templates. However, they may require further personalization prior to using them for your own campaign intake. So let's go over some of those key components now of this template. The first main section here is the program details section. This is where you will input the basic details of the campaign, such as the campaign name, send date, target audience. This helps to ensure that everyone is on the same page from the start. We have all the information we need upon request being received. We're ready to start production. There's not going to be any delay of going back and forth to get those business details. So you see here the target audience section. This is a great example of something that can be further customized and tailored to meet your specific team's needs. If there's specific audience lists that you always send to, for example, like prospect and customer list, you could include those as options within this section for your team to select when filling out a content submission template. And as we move down, we also have an A/B testing section as well, just to capture any of those details up front. If your team is considering doing any testing on emails, that they can select their options here as far as like what they want for a testing split, if they want 50-50, 40-60, and so forth. And then also looking at what the type of test would be, if it'd be a whole email test, if they're just looking at test subject lines. If it would be a subject line test, then we would also provide that information here. Looking at what subject line A would be versus subject line B. So, and then as we move forth, we go into the next section, which would be the email content section. This obviously is a really important section. This is kind of where all the meat of it is. This is what is going to be needed for production to create an email asset. So this is where you will provide, all the email copy, but also taking it a step further, making sure that you're also providing the pre-header text, any banner image URLs, headlines, CTA text, CTA URLs, UTMs. So this is really helpful to make sure all that information is captured in this one place. Instead of making it a more longer process where you kind of have to go between multiple documents. You have your email copy in one document, you have to bounce over to get the banner image in another place. So this kind of just reinforces that all of this information is needed, should all be in one place, and it will just help to streamline the build process overall. Yeah, so then as you move forward and discuss this as a team and figure out what structure work best for you, once that's finalized, it should then be shared with anyone that would be requesting campaigns from the market operations team. And then from there, it would be, best to start training those teams on how to use the new content submission documents and also collect feedback, answer any questions that they may have as they start to use it and then test out this new process. It's obviously going to be something new. There might be some hiccups, issues might arise, but these templates can always be, updated and optimized to meet your team's needs as you see fit. So once this is rolled out and once this is in effect with your team, it will not only save time, but it will also ensure that all required information is gathered in one single step. So that's what I have for you today. That's just a quick breakdown on content submission templates. They're a really useful tool, and I hope you found this valuable. So thank you for watching this video, and be sure to check out other great content here at Atumos.com.